meet this excellent ornamental perennial indoor plant which is called peace lily plant. This is best air purifier plant and which is recommended by the NASA. It has vibrant green lush leaves and has a flower which grows in a unique way. That grows in a spadix and it has a bract surrounded it which is called spathe. They have a green foliage and bloom stands tall over it, and it almost look like a white little flag of surrender, and that's why they got their name peace. And also white is the color of peace. Peace lily is botanically called Spathiphyllum. Once a flower bloom, it can survive for more than a month, and when the white color of flower turns into green, it means it completes its cycle. And at that time we should pluck that flower from the plant so that we can save its energy. To understand any plant better, we should know from where it is originated and the conditions of that place. This plant is native to tropical region of America and Southeastern Asia, where the weather is tropical. So this plant like humidity around it. So we have to work extra hard to make this plant believe that it is in its original habitat. So if you want to decorate your home with this gorgeous plant, then you have to know about the 4 factors. One is soil, second is fertilizer, third is watering, and fourth is temperature or sunlight. So number 1 is soil. To make suitable soil for this plant, I am taking coco peat, cow dung manure, vermicompost and garden soil, each in equal quantity. This will make this soil porous and well drainage. Also add perlite to this composition of soil to make this soil more porous and effective for this plant. Number 2 is fertilization. We do not need to fertilize this plant very frequently, but we can add NPK 20-20-20 once in 3 months, 5 to 6 crystals only, and compost cow dung manure once in 1 month. That would be sufficient for this plant. Number 3 is watering. A very important factor and the most common mistake gardeners tend to do is overwatering. They can more tolerant underwatering than overwatering. It can be the reason to lily die. Check the soil by dipping your finger in it, and if the soil is moist, then do not water. Wait for 2-3 days. Now as we know that lily do not like soggy soil or overwatering, but it like humidity around it. So what can we do? We can take any tray and some stones. Fill this tray with the water and keep the pot on it. This is the best way to keep atmosphere humid around this peace lily plant. Now number 4 is sunlight. Peace lilies prefers indirect sunlight and can survive in medium to low light and can be kept in shady area. Again, peace lilies that are kept in more light tend to produce healthy and more flowers, and in low light it will bloom less and will look more like a traditional foliage plant. So do not keep them in a direct sunlight. Now lastly, to keep the plant healthy with the proper photosynthesis, keep its leaves clean of dust by spraying or mopping with a clean cloth. I hope all the information about peace lily would help you to make this plant a proud member of your family. You can keep this plant in bedroom, in balcony, bathroom, anywhere you like. It will survive easily. Thank you and bye. See you.